Today I'm at the Helene S. Mills Community Center in downtown Atlanta, and we're observing the installation of a rain garden. Now, a rain garden is a way to treat stormwater biologically by allowing plants and trees to drink that water up and take out nutrients before that water goes into the storm sewer, ultimately leading to streams. This rain garden is actually going to capture from one downspout, and that's about 2,400 square feet of roof, which will produce about 1,500 gallons of stormwater for every inch of rain. In an urban setting like this, there's a lot of impervious surface, and there aren't a lot of opportunities to get infiltration of rainwater back into the ground. So taking this opportunity here, even though this is a medium-sized rain garden compared to the amount of roof that we have behind us, this is a good opportunity to provide some biological treatment and to add a little beauty to the area by the plants that are going to be planted in this space. And now that the soil amendment is down, all that's left to do is plant and add ground cover. And down here in the south, that's probably going to be pine straw. If you're curious, Miss Mills and I are not related, but I'm guessing that we are kindred spirits when it comes to a passion for community and the environment. Containing the rain, that's just another easy way to be green. I believe we all have an innate connection with living green that sometimes gets lost in the hectic nature of our lives. My mission is to reconnect you.